Then 1's complement and 2's complements, nothing but binary complements. In this class we'll discuss about binary complements, another important topic in digital electronics and STLD. So basically we have 1's complement and 2's complements in binary. Binary is nothing but a base 2. Binary is nothing but base 2. So it may be 2's complement and 1's complement. So generally we are taking as r's complement and r minus 1's complement. R is nothing but base. 2's complement are 2 minus 1. That is nothing but 1's complement. Okay. Generally the complements are represented as r's complement and r minus 1's complements. In place of r you may substitute any base. For example, I am taking binary number. So that's why r's complement is nothing but r is equal to 2. For binary, base is 2 or radix is 2. 2's complement or 2 minus 1 is 1's complement. For example, I am taking decimal number system. Decimal is nothing but base 10, radix is 10. 10's complement are 10 minus 1, 9's complement. In the same manner, for hexadecimal or octal, you may take any number. Okay, here r is the base or radix. You may perform any number of complement. Generally complements are r's complement and r minus 1's complement. These are used for the representation of negative numbers. Okay, so for example, I am performing binary complements. Those are 1's complement and 2's complement. Now go for 1's complement. How will get the 1's complement? Change all 1's to zeros and all zeros to 1's. Okay, for example, in the given number, if it is in binary, then change all 1's to zeros and all zeros to 1's, then we'll get the 1's complement. That is the definition of 1's complement. All 1's can be written as 0 and all zeros can be written as 1's. Okay, for example, 1 1 0 1 0 1 1, I am taking as one binary number. I am going to convert into 1's complement form. Then 1 1 can be converted as 0 0, 0 can be converted as 1, 1 can be converted as 0, 0 can be converted as 1, again 1 1 converted as 0 0. That is the 1's complement. Best example. 1's can be written as zeros, zeros can be written as 1's. Then 28 minus 15 using 1's complement. Here the given number is decimal numbers he has given. 28 and 15. Those are decimal numbers. Already as mentioned base also. Okay, 28 base 10 and 15 base 10. Base 10 means decimal number. Using 1's complement. Here given complement is binary complement method. So that's why I am going to convert these decimal numbers into binary numbers. So 28 binary I am going to convert into binary. 28 is 11100. 11100 is the binary for decimal 28. The same, and I am converting 15 into binary by dividing 2. Then I will get 1100. Here one point you can remember, like this we are going to write 1111. All ones we are getting. 4 digits here we have. And observe this. This is having 5 digits. 11100. 5 digits. So all bits must be same. When you are performing any binary complement operation, all digits must be equal. Okay, here we have 5 digits, here we have 4 digits. So make this one to 5 digits by adding 0 to the MSB. If you add 0 here, that will change. Number value will be changed. That's why for MSB we have to add 0. If both are same numbers, 4 bits, don't add any bits. Always the bits must be equal number of bits we have to take. For example, here we have 6 bits, here we have to add 0, here we have to add 0. Okay, then first we can convert into binary, then observe both are having equal number of bits or not. Then what is the number 28 minus 15? So generally we are going to write as 28 plus of minus 15. For your understanding purpose I am writing, actually no need. So here negative number is 15. For that we have to find a complement. So 15 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the negative number. For this we have to find the complement. What is the ones complement for this one? Ones complement for this one is, you will write 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here again I wrote very clearly, this is a 28 minus 15. 28 plus or minus 15. In binary I wrote. For this one I am going to find the complement. Ones complement of the negative number. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the ones complement? Ones can be written as zeros, zeros can be written as ones. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the ones complement of 15, or 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then add this result to the 11100. This one 11100 plus this one's complement value. So 11100 plus 10000, 10000. Binary addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Here we are getting carry. If we have carry, that carry must be added. End around carry. That is end around carry. So in ones complement we have to add carry to the LSB, least significant bit. So this carry I am going to add here. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 is our final result. Actually what is the value? 28 minus 15. What is the value? 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 13. 13 we have to get. Then that is the correct answer. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. I am going to write this one in decimal. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 is nothing but 13. So our answer is also 13. So that is a correct number. Correct number. Okay. Like this we have to perform any operation using ones complement. Here I perform 28 minus 15. For example, what about 15 minus 28? Same procedure. Same procedure you can do. See here 15 minus 28. What is the answer? Minus 13 you may get. Already we know the binary numbers. Ones complement of the 28. Why? Because 28 is the negative number. So first we have to find the ones complement for negative number. 28. What is that? 11100. 11100 ones complement. That is 00011. For this one, ones complement is 00011. 00011. Add to 15. We have to add 15 to the complement of 28. So what is 15? 01111. 01111. Again binary addition. 1 plus 1. Sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum 1, carry 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Again 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Again 0 plus 0, 0. And 0 plus 1, 1. 10010. Here we are not getting carry. That is nothing but no carry. No carry means answer is in negative form. Answer is in negative form. That's why we have to perform complement again. So perform ones complement again for the 10010. For the result we have to perform ones complement again. So for this 10010, 1 can be written as 0, 0 can be written as 1, 0 can be written as 1, again 1 can be written as 0, 0 can be written as 1. And put negative sign here. Put negative sign. Then check the answer. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1 means 13 minus 13. So 15 minus 28 is minus 13. So your answer is correct. Like this you may verify your result, your answer by converting into decimal form. Otherwise converting into binary equivalent number. Okay, this is a ones complement subtraction. It may be also called as addition or representation of numbers using ones complement. In the same manner we can perform twos complement. How we will get the twos complement? Then we'll see now. Then go for twos complement. The twos complement is nothing but ones complement plus 1. The twos complement can be obtained by adding 1 to the ones complement. That is the definition. Okay, by adding 1 to the ones complement you get twos complement. Let us take one example. Same example I am taking, 28 minus 15 using 2's complement. Perform the operation 28 minus 15 using 2's complement. Actually given numbers are decimal numbers. So first we have to convert into binary number. So already we know that. So the 28 binary is 11100 and 15 binary is 01111. These two bits must be equal. Okay, binary bits must be equal. Then only you can able to perform the either it may be 1's complement or 2's complement, or it may be a decimal complement. Any complement can be performed using equal number of digits or equal number of bits. So here what is the negative number? 01111. 15 is the negative number. For that one I am finding 1's complement. 1's complement of 15, that is 01111 is 0 can be replaced with 1 and 1's can be replaced with zeros. 10000. How will get the 2's complement? The 2's complement of the 15 is by adding 1 to the 1's complement. 0 plus 1 1 0 0 0 1. 10001 is the 2's complement of 15. Add this result to the 28. What is 28? 11100. 11100. I am going to add these two. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1. Here sum 0 carry 1. Remember that 1 plus 1 last bit is sum 0 carry 1. Here in 2's complement form we have to neglect carry. Remember is an important point. In 2's complement we have to neglect carry. Then what is the final result? 01101 is our final result. Otherwise you may write again. The final result is equal to 01101. This is final result or final answer. Final answer. Okay. So verify this. 01101. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. 28 minus 15 is already 13. So our answer is correct. Then if I am subtracting larger number from the smaller number, or if the answer is in negative form, how we can perform 2's complements? Let us see now. 15 minus 28, generally result is minus 13. Result is in negative form. How we can perform that? So 1's complement of 28. 1's complement of 28. 28 is generally 11100. 1's complement is 00011. 00011. Okay. And 2's complement of 28 is equal to by adding 1. I am adding 1 here. Let us see here. I am adding 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Okay. Again 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 1 0 0. So 00100 is the 2's complement for 28. 00100 is the 2's complement for 28. Add this number to the 15. Okay. So otherwise you may write 15 plus of minus 28. Okay. For this minus number we perform 2's complement, that is 00100. Then add this number to the 15. 00100. What is 15? 01111. 01111 is a 15. I am adding 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Again 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. 10011. We are getting 10011. Here no carry we are getting. And the answer is not minus 13. Okay. 10011 means 16 plus 2 plus 1. 19. So that is not our exact answer. So here no carry. 10011. We have 5 bits. We are getting same 5 bit answer. If we are getting negative result, we have to perform complement again. Remember that. So whatever we are getting here, this is not our final result. For this result, we have to perform complement again. Okay, 10011 is the result. For this result, we have to perform complement. Which complement we are doing? 2's complement. So first perform 1's complement for the 10011. 1's complement is 01100. 01100. 2's complement is nothing but by adding 1. 0 plus 1 1, 0 1 1 0 and put negative sign to the result. 0 1 1 0 1. This is our final result. See here 1 1 0 1 is nothing but 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So put negative sign minus 13. Okay, in decimal equivalent. So this is our final result. So here one note I am going to mention, that is for 1's complement and 9's complement add carry. For 2's complement and 10's complement neglect carry. Remember this as a note, very very important note. Then only you can able to perform the operations. In any operation, while you are performing any operation, 1's complement and in 9's complement add carry. If we get carry, that we have to add. In 2's complement and 10's complement neglect carry. These two are same and these two are same. This is about complements, that is a binary complements, 1's and 2's complement. If you want, you may perform 15's complement, 16's complement, 7's complement, 8's complements. Any complement you can able to perform. Okay, for example, I am going to perform 16, I want 16's complement. First you can find 15's complement, add 1. I want 8's complements. Then first you can find 7's complement and add 1. Okay, 7's complement is nothing but by subtracting each digit from the 7. Okay, so for example I want a 15's complement. By subtracting each digit from the 15, then you'll get a 15's complement. Like this we can perform any complements. Okay, this is the regarding complements, binary and decimal complements. Thank you.